Looks like you lost another one.
What is going on, guys? Okay, let's try this one more. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today with no live season.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
The Motley Crew.
Okay.
Motherfucker. How's it going, guys? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be touching base on the 2019 2SS. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on the digital dash. So, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, I'm just going to show you a couple tips and tricks on the 2019 2SS Camaro. So, a couple things that I did want to go over was going to be inside of the screen on your dash. So as you can tell, that there's just a couple of things on top of there that you may or may not have when you bought the car, and there's a couple of ways that you can go ahead and go about this to change it. One of the ways will be by hitting this button to your left. It'll take you back to that side screen, and you're gonna go all the way down where it says options. You're gonna go up till you see that screen right there, display. Then you're gonna hit right. It's gonna bring up that screen. And there's two choices on the 2019 2SS. It's gonna be standard, which is the one I already had, and technology. When you hit technology, that's exactly how it's gonna look. Okay? That's it. Next one is gonna be the rear view mirror. So the cool thing about this is when you hit up, you have a camera right behind the spoiler on the 2019s, and then the 2020s, it's gonna be located on top of your antenna. And I'll show you that right after this explanation. You're gonna have three buttons right here. A lot of people will confuse this as your garage door opener. Sadly, it doesn't have it. I've seen some models that they have their garage door like somewhere up here. I'm not quite sure, correct me if I'm wrong. But for some reason this one does not have it. But if you click that first button, you can scroll through this page. Brightness, you can zoom in, zoom out, and then you can go up and down. So if you have a cop behind you and you want to make sure it's a cop, you can just go up and just zoom in his face. If it's a cop, well, good luck. On the 2019, your camera is going to be located right there in the spoiler. On the 2020s, it's going to be located on top of that little antenna on top right there. So that's where you're going to see the two differences in the 2019s and the 2020s 2SS. So for the 2019 Camaro 2SS, rather it be the SS, 1SS, 1LE, I'm getting a lot of questions as well as how to work the launch mode and line lock. It's quite simple. We're gonna hit all the way to our left, go down to our options, right there, and where it says launch control, you're gonna have to find it sometimes, but it should be right above units. And right now it says disabled. I'm gonna show you how to enable it, and it's pretty simple. So you're gonna hit the traction control button twice, so 1 and 2. All right, and it goes into competitive mode. And on top of that, make sure the car's in should drive. You have your seatbelt on, and you're gonna press and hold the brake. And sometimes the car requires you to continue pressing it even more. So like, I need to go all the way down. There you go. So like basically your foot all the way in the bottom of it. I won't do it here just because I don't want to run into those curbs over there. But it's quite simple on how to use that. You also do have line lock. And that just allows you to do a burnout. But of course you don't always have to go through here if you just want to do a quick burnout. I can burn the tires pretty quickly in this car, and it's pretty simple. Launch control. I'm gonna show you how to work that. Just have your car set to track mode. You do not need traction control off. All you gotta do is just make sure you have a good speed going on the vehicle. And I usually go around 30 to 40 miles an hour. Now I'm gonna show you what you gotta do. So, give it a little bit of gas. And when, let's say there's someone gonna roll up next to you and you wanna do a quick roll with them, you wanna make sure that you have your foot on the pedal. And when you're ready to launch it, you want to press down all the way down, just once. And it says performance activated. And from there it drops all of your gears and you can just give it gas. So I went ahead and wanted to show you how to lower your gears to either second or third gear without having to go through all your gears, you know, pretty slow. And that's just basically a problem that the 2019s have. It's just it has 10 gears and you have to go through all fucking 10 to just get to the gear that you want. So it's pretty simple. Instead of having to do all that, I'm gonna show you how to go through your gears quicker than that. So if you're ready to shift down to second or third, or just go to the lowest gear that your engine can handle, you're gonna go ahead and lower the gear once, make sure it's in manual. So right now it's an 8, and then press and hold the minus. It drops all the gears instantly. And it does a quick takeoff without having to do too much, you know, shifting down or shifting up, whatever the case may be. Hey guys, I forgot to mention I'm going to go ahead and roll in some clips that I took last week at a car meet. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate that, and thank you so much for supporting my channel.
Shit, here we go again.
I'm gonna introduce my videos like this, all right? It's just gonna be simple. Hello, welcome back. No. Welcome back to another. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, what's up? No. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going into the 2019 Camaro. No. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my first video talking about how's it going, guys? Welcome to my little intro. I want to say thank you to those who watched my last video. We had about 10k views, but where are those subscribers though? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Damn, kind of sucks, you know, all them views, no subscribers.